Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop call recording in iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down until you get to apps. Click on it. Scroll down apps until you get to the phone app and then click on it. Once you click on phone app, you want to scroll down the phone app page, locate and click on call recording. Now, if your call recording is turned on, just go ahead and toggle this off. Once turned off call recording, this is going to stop call recording on your iPhone and you'll not be able to record incoming call or outgoing call on your iPhone. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.